Hey, it's Nick with Family Handyman, and we've been using and loving the Traeger Ironwood 650 smoker. So you've probably heard of a pellet grill, and Traeger makes a whole lineup of pellet grills. What differentiates a pellet grill from a traditional grill is that it burns wood pellets. You fill up the wood pellets in the hopper on the side, and they meet the ignition rod, which actually burns really hot, causing both heat and smoke. So there are a lot of things to love about this Traeger grill, but one of our favorites is the Downdraft exhaust system. In a traditional grill, all the smoke rises upwards and out. Inside of this grill box, it actually creates a vortex, rolling more smoke over your food and exhausting out the back. So this grill is really smart. It connects using something called Wi-Fi. It creates a Wi-Fi system on the grill and connects to the Traeger app. This allows you to access to over 1,600 recipes. You can see your pellet levels, you can see the temperature, as well as timer. It's really slick. A small but mighty feature of this grill is the light that's inside of the pellet hopper, one of our favorite features. When you're cooking at night, it's easy to just flip open the lid and see exactly where your pellet levels are. If you live in an area with colder climates like we do here in the Midwest, one of our favorite features is this insulated grill box. It keeps the fire going and keeps your food hot. If you're in the market for a new grill or smoker, Family Handyman approves this Traeger Ironwood 650. To see even more products that we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.